In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see website traffic on GoDaddy. If you want to quickly check how your website is performing and see how many visitors it's getting, GoDaddy makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your account so you can find your website traffic overview without getting lost in the menu. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're logging into the account that actually manages the website you want to review. Once you're inside, give the page a moment to fully load so all of your account options appear correctly. After that, look for your profile area. This is usually located near the top of the page, and it's where you can access your account-related settings and products. Click on your profile to open the available options. From there, select My Products. This section is where GoDaddy keeps the services, websites, and tools connected to your account. If you have more than one product, take a moment to find the correct website so you don't accidentally open the wrong one. Next, click on the specific website you want to check. This will take you into the management area for that site. Depending on your account layout, the page may show several settings and controls related to your website, so just focus on the main website management panel. Once you're there, click Dashboard. This is the key area for viewing general website information. Inside the dashboard, you'll be able to see site visitors and an overview of your website traffic. This is where GoDaddy gives you a snapshot of how your site is doing, making it easier to monitor activity at a glance. As you review this section, pay attention to the visitor information and the overall traffic summary. This can help you understand whether your site is attracting attention and whether traffic is increasing over time. If you check this dashboard regularly, it becomes much easier to notice trends and keep track of your website's performance. If you don't immediately see the traffic details, make sure you're in the correct website dashboard and not just the general account page. Sometimes the layout can vary slightly, depending on the type of website product you're using, but the process is generally the same. That's how to seize website traffic on GoDaddy. Once you know where to find the dashboard, checking your visitor data only takes a few seconds.